Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel and a very happy new year to all of you. So today is the second day of this new year 2021 and we are going to learn a new thing. So first of all, let's have a look at what we have learned in our last video. So in the last video, we have learned the smart use of a scale tool, and today we will learn the smart use of tape measure tool. So first of all, as the name suggests, this tool is used to measure the distance between 2 points. So first of all, I will show the use of it. So you can put a point over here and another point over here. So we have a 20-foot long wall. Let's measure the height of this wall. It is 10 feet, and then let's measure the thickness of this wall. So it is 10 inches. Now you can see we have two openings over here. One is the opening for the door, which is 3 feet 3 inches long, and another one is opening for the window, which is 4 feet long. So this was one use of tape measure tool. You can take the measurements of all the parts. Now let's see another use of tape measure tool. Whenever you use this tool, you get a reference line. Now how you can use these reference lines, let's learn about that. So I will erase this one. Now let's try to create an image like this, and I will draw a wall over here. So for that I am using the push pull tool, and I will draw a wall till this height. I will also use the push pull tool again. I can draw a wall of same length and same height like this, but I can't draw a wall of same thickness. So for that I am using the tape measure tool. So using the tape measure tool, I can draw a reference line. So I will draw a reference line at a distance of 10 inches. Now I can use my push pull tool, and under the guidance of this line I can just click over here. So this line is also known as guideline, and its use is to basically guide the architect to the particular point, in the same way as Civil Center guides the civil engineering students and professionals. Now, as we know that we have the sill level of window at 2 feet 6 inches. So I will again use the tape measure tool and draw a reference line at 2 feet 6 inches, and for the lintel level the height is 7 feet. Now I will take a distance from the left side of 1 foot. Then as my window was of 4 feet, so I will take another guideline at 4 feet from the reference line. From here I will take a space of 2 feet, and since the width of the door is 3 feet 3 inches, so again I will draw a guideline over there. Now I will draw rectangles. So from here I can draw the rectangles, but here we have a window, so I will draw a rectangle like this. Now these lines are of infinite length and we don't need this one now, so I will just erase all these lines using my eraser tool. Now using my select tool, I will select the areas, and then using the push pull tool I will simply push it on face, and it will create a gap over here. So you can see these reference lines has helped us a lot while making a similar image like this. Now if I want to just fill the color, then you can use the paint tool for that. So you can see I have got a similar image as this wall with window and door openings. Now I will just move it a little bit so that I can have a better perspective of this. Though we have used a lot of commands in this, but today our main focus on was tape measure tool. So I will keep making videos about the different tools and techniques of SketchUp. So if you like our video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.